Maxima.
Well, you said that the last play. You said that the last varsity. You play for varsity?
Just make sure that when you run, you don't lose your pants.
You play for varsity? I'm playing with team. Yo, Quinn, take it to the house.
Ready?
I truck trees.
Hut.
Yeah, let's go. We'll play action.
Oh, boom!
Oh, block, block. Oh,
Whoa, good block.
he's down.
He's down, you're down.
He's down.
Where's the blocking, guys?
Hey, don't let him just push you around either.
Where's the blocking?
What's up?
Yeah, stop picking your nose.
Hut.
So exhausted.
Oh, yeah.
Go!
Go, Quinny, go! Go!
Oh, you got a pass.
He didn't know. Baby, he didn't know that was out of bounds.
He's quick.
He is quick. That's how he scored a freaking touchdown on the first play.
His little legs. What are you doing? Sleeping today? What happened?
I had to pull up my braids and I watched TV and put it
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Too early. We checked out the boys at this.